Oh, is this a vibe? So today we're gonna color my hair. I have 2 boxes like this. Today we're gonna color the hair. It's intense shine and vibrant color. Tone in tune coloration. So let's see, we have 2 different, we're gonna mix those, and they are called beige violet toner and beige chocolate toner. So I asked the girl in the store. I went to Lyko here in Sweden. So you see, this is pretty white, pretty not so suitable for my colors. I need more like honey color, but it's a thin line because I don't want it to be like yellow. I want it just to be light but not white and not yellow. Maybe like a champagne color or honey color. Well, honey is pretty yellow. We'll be over this. Like cream color, beige color. Well, she said chocolate and violet would be a great combination.
What?
I'm gonna put some contacts in because I can't wear the glasses while I'm coloring the hair. Chopstick to mix it. Now we are so ready. So for tools, I'm gonna use this, maybe this. I don't know. Takes so much time. Let's do it this way. So this will be, I put it in dry hair, and it will be a little bit more intense than if you take it on like wet hair, and it will sit for like 10 to 20 minutes, I believe it was. I'm really gonna focus on this hair up here because I believe this is a little bit more bright than the other hair. The hair in the back are a little bit yellow, so I don't know. Let's just get this mushy. And okay, I know this is not how you're supposed to do it, but hey, we're gonna rock this. Ooh, now I'm gonna roll back. I don't know if I will even bother trying to comb this hair. Maybe we should do it. It's pretty tangled, but I believe the color will be just fine anyway. Oh, sorry, didn't mean that. Now I have color all over my floor. It's good we haven't done our bathroom yet. We really need to get this renovated. And don't worry, I will take care of this. Maybe I should go with a new hairstyle like this. What do you think? Is this a vibe? Maybe like this, curly. Okay. I'm not a hairdresser. I'm so greasy. I need to go. I see you in 20 minutes, but in YouTube it's like 1 second.
1 eternity later.
So here goes Actually, this was what I suspected. It would be much darker than I wanted. But anyway, let's see. I think it's great color. But it's not blonde anymore, so that was my $300 hair appointment. Down the rain. Okay, let's style this. Now I just did a little blowout, and I actually like the color. It's a little bit darker than I really wanted, but it's okay. Yesterday I also got these two. So this is the hair mask, peptides, I believe. It should be really good. Then I bought this little oil to go with it, and I thought I could try the drops today, just to get some into the length. Yes, I just take 3 drops. I will work it in here. What do you think? Is it a go? So this is the final result. Pretty happy with it. Now I need to get my contacts out and put my glasses on, because I can't read anything when I have the contacts because they are not with, you know, old vision sight. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and as I always say, have a fabulous day, night or evening wherever you are, and I really hope to see you soon again. Bye bye.